ብሔረሰብ ሙዚቃን ልጇን አስለመደቻትና ኢትዮጵያ አርጋ ወለደች። ማሚና ግሮ አፕ አደረገቻት እና አዲስ ታይም ደግሞ ዴዚ ላይክ ፍንዳታ ታይም ስለሆነች ላይክ ፍቅር ሺዝ ኢን ላቭ ራይት ናው ሃው ሺ ሴድ ዲስ ዋን ዳስ ዴዚ እንድትመልስልኝ የምፈልገው ጥያቄ እናቴ ትግራዋይ ስለሆነ ነው አታግቢ ያለችኝ ነገር ያለች Daisy, that's my question. You understand? You have a video when you are the child. Your mom, she learned you Tigrinya, Orominya, Guragi.
Where is that? Where is that proof? Where is that proof?
I see the video when you are the child.
What video? When I was a child? What does that mean? Yeah. Like, where's the proof?
The video alayachu me Daisy?
We see like, on the TikTok? The TikTok?
Yeah,
we see YouTube.
We see on YouTube.
I've never done anything like minim zefin betigrinya or minim betigrinya by YouTube. So
okay. No. What about Guraginya and Amharic?
Yeah. My mom likes every tribe except
Orominya. Orominya.
I didn't do Orominya.
Okay. You don't know how to speak Tigrinya, right?
No, I'll chill.
Achim, how you song?
Bring the song where I sing in Tigrinya.
Okay, you know speak Amharic, right? You speak Amharic.
Wait, why do you keep changing the question? Are you trying to manipulate me? Like, what are you trying to do?
No, I'm not.
No, because I just asked you a question. So bring the proof where I was singing Tigrinya when I was a child. Do you have that proof?
No, we don't have it.
No, እኔ አዩ ይመስለኛል ጋይስ አላያችሁም?
ኦኬ ኖ አሁን እሷ ይኸውልሽ ምን እንደምትል ታውቂያለሽ? ትግሬዎችን ስለምትወድ አይነት እናቴ ልጁ ትግሬ ስለሆነ አታግቢ የምትለኝ ትግሬ ስለሆነ ነው አለችን አይደል? ቅድም አሁንም እኮ የምትለው አሁንም የምትለው ምን እንደሆነ ታውቂያለሽ? ትግረኛ ያላስለመደችኝ እንደዛ አይነት ነገር እንደዛ ነው የልጅቷ ኮንሰፕት። አልገባችሁም? You think she don't like Tigray?
Yeah, she says it. I have proof of it.
You see? እናንተ አልገባችሁም እንደ
Ihiti. Wait, speaking
No,
English.
don't say that. Oh my God, that's a big problem. Daisy.
የምር ልንገርሽ እኛ አባባሎ ገብቶናል ማለት ነው። ግን አንቺ ከዚህ በፊት ዘረኛ ነሽ አይደለ? ለምን ልጅቷን ታስጨንቃታለሽ? ይዘጋል እንዴ? ልጅቷ እኮ ተጨንቃ ነው ያለችው። መጀመሪያ
ውጪ ገርዳሜ ምንም አልተጨነቀችም። እኛ እናቷ እኛ ደግሞ እናቷ ተጨንቃለች።
Wait, can you keep explaining? Tamir, I want to continue.
Okay, I'm sorry, what did you say?
Okay, so you said you still didn't answer my question.
Okay, go ahead.
You didn't answer my question.
I don't understand your question. What do you say?
You said I sing a song by Tigrinya when I was a child. Guys, I understand. I understand.
No.
እኔ ግን ኦሮምኛ ይሁን ይመስለኛል። ኦሮምኛና ትግርኛ እንደዚህ አማርኛ ቪዲዮዎች የተቆራረጡ የዘፈንሽበት ያየው ይመስለኛል።
እሺ የት ነው?
I didn't say like
TikTok ላይ ተቆራረጡ።
Oh my gosh.
Did you post some videos? No.
Okay, but TikTok.
You got Guragi music, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. What about Amharic? I think I see Amharic music.
Okay, Lilas.
You always lip sync for Amharic music.
Okay, Lilas.
Leila.
Betigrinya.
No. Maybe you don't know, like Tigrinya, you don't know how to speak.
Okay, now you're lying. I mean, I'll pray.
No,
for
I'm not lying. I say the same thing in Amharic.
Now, listen, Hiti, I respect you, Gin. Hey, please.
Well, I think Arasu.
Anyways, have a nice day, guys. This is Live Wishes.
Daisy, I have a question for
Daisy,
you.
Listen, your mom, please.
I respect
she care
you guys.
about your life. She care about your future life. Listen, your mom. Trust me.
No, thank you. Yes.
No,
have a nice day.
let me tell you something. Listen, your mom. Okay? አይተላችሁ ለማንኛውም ልጅቷ አሁን ይተላችሁ ትግሬ ተጣላለች ምናምን ተብሎ በእነዚህኞቹ በልጆቹ የተነገራት ት ልጅቷ አሁንም አትሰማም። ነግሬያታለሁ እኔ ወንዶች እንደ ውሾች በአለም ላይ ውሻ እንደሆኑ ነግሬያታለሁ። ፊውቸር ላይ ጥሏት እንደመሄድ ነግሬያታለሁ። ነገ ጠዋት ልቧ እንደሚሰበር ነግሬያታለሁ። እሷ ምንም ኤክስፔሪንስ እንደሌላት ስለወንድ ግን እንደሚጫወቱባት ልጁ ነግሬያታለሁ። አሜሪካ ለመምጣት እንደሆነ ነግሬያታለሁ። ማንም ይሄን እስካሁን አልነገራትም እየፈሩ። እኔ ነግሬያታለሁ። ከገባት ይግባት፣ ካልገባት ሚዲያ ላይ ወጥታ ስታለቅስ እናያታለን። በቃ አለቀ። ልጅቷ ስለ
now in your side. Who collaborate to disrespect your mother, and they telling you they are on your side? No way. This is the big red flag. The person who disrespect your own mom, even though if she wasn't.
I don't care anything. Like, I respect you a lot, Hiti. I respect you, but I'm an adult, period. Like, you guys I don't understand why everyone's trying to control my life. Like, I don't understand. I was trying to make peace.
Control your life. Nobody has controlled your life.
Everyone is at this point. Everyone is trying. Even Yoni sees it now. Even Yoni sees it. I mean, you guys have to, like, Jesus Christ. I don't know. I don't know.
No, because look, you make like a wrong decision. That's why everybody care about
what
you.
Wrong
You know?
decision did I make?
No, you did the wrong decision because
Like, what?
you bring a lot of privacy stuff on the social media.
Yes,
That's
to defend
crazy.
myself,
You
as
have
I
to
should.
keep with you. You have to like fix your problem with your mom. You
Yeah.
don't need to bring in the social media.
But do you know that she's also doing it too?
No, you did before, I think, because
But do you also know
I
that
see
she
a lot of
started
like,
it?
you know, listen, I see a lot of like short video and they just, you know, edit on a TikTok. They posted, I see a lot of things with him. Like,
Is she?
it's not, even like, it's not good for you, like a future. Like, that's not good.
Okay,
Even
so
I don't think
do you
so.
know?
I don't think so. How he treats your mom, I don't think so. Future, he stay with you.
Okay,
Trust
but
me.
do you
Trust me.
listen, Hiti?
Dancy, just
I understand,
Daisy, just
but you
save
have
my
to.
word. Trust me. Hold on. Save my word. He don't respect your mom. Future,
He does.
I don't think so. He stay with you. I
No,
don't
he
think
does.
so.
He does
Maybe
respect
he
her.
broke your
He
heart.
does respect her.
Save my word.
He does.
Maybe he broke your heart. Trust me. Maybe you bring him America. Like he wanna change his life. He don't care about your life.
Okay,
Yes,
this
that's
is if
listen.
this is bad.
Listen.
No, this is really bad for you to say. I'm just saying.
That's a lot of
As-
listen.
no, no.
Listen. Let me tell you something.
No.
You don't know nothing about men. You don't have no experience. He's a first, right?
Okay, so you know
you
every
just-
man in this world.
Yes, man is a dog in the world. You have to know that.
Really?
Okay. Yes.
Really?
Yes. 95% man is dog in the world. You have to know that.
They're dogs. That's
They
nice.
dog. They
Yeah,
have
that's
to look
nice.
at. Listen, like we will see what's gonna happen on your life. We will see. Save my word. Don't forget my word. Okay.
Okay,
We
we'll
will
see.
see. Trust me. You broke your heart. Maybe I'm telling you the truth. I don't care. Like I'm telling you the truth. You don't have no experience with the men. They play or with a lot of women. Okay.
Okay,
I'm
so
sorry.
you know every man in this world.
አልሰማችሁም እነግራታለሁ እውነቱን ሪያሊቲ እሱ ነው
You are 21. You can do whatever you want with your life, but at the same time, you have to respect your mom. That's what
I do. I really do.
If you look, and I give you one advice at the mom. I have a kid, so at the mom, I give you one advice. Please. Don't bring a lot of stuff in the media. Just you can talk to her inside with the people. Choose the people. Whatever you want, Yoni Manya or
Yeah, I understand, but isn't that the same thing that you guys are doing? Isn't that the same thing that you guys are doing, like going
Can I
live
ask
with
you
my
some
pictures?
question? Daisy, can I ask you some
that's what
question?
I'm asking you. Please keep it secret. You know, we are Habesha. We have a culture. You can, you know, Shumagali. So talk to them. Talk to your mom inside. And whatever you like.
2 years like ሰከንድ ተማሪ ነበረች። ድራፕ አድርጋለች አለች። እናቲቱ ያጠፋችው ሀበሻ ጋምታ ስትቀላቀላል ነው። አለቀ። ጥፋት ያጠፋችው የዛን ጊዜ ነው እና እኛ እናቲቱ ስትሰደብ ስላየን ነው። በነገራችን ላይ እኔ ቪዲዮውን አወጣዋለሁኝ። አዳፕት አድርጋኝ ነው ብላለች መጀመሪያ እንደገባች። እናንተ አልሰማችኋትም እንጂ አዳፕት አድርጋኝ ነው ብላለች። ስለዚህ ልጅቷ እነሱም እነዛ ልጆቹ ከልጁ ሳይቱ ነው ሲሰድቧት የነበሩት። እናቲቱን በዛ ልክ ሲያንቋሿት የነበሩት እናቴ አይደለችም አሳድጋኝ ነው ብላቸው አሳዳጊ ነች እንጂ ሺዝናት ማይ በርዝ ምናምን ብላቸዋለች።
ላይ ሌላ ቦታ ሆነ
እሱ ብቻ አይደለም ቴምርዬ፣ በጣም ሩቅ ጊዜ አልነበረም እንደነበረ ታውቂያለሽ። እስኖት ሎንግ ታይም አጎ ጂጂዬ አንድ ጊዜ
አንዴ ልጨርስ ይውላችሁ። ሲንግል ማም ሆኖ አሜሪካ ውስጥ ልጅን ማሳደግ በጣም 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 አስቸጋሪ፣ አስቀያሚ፣ በጣም ብዙ አለማቸው ማለት ልጆቻቸው አለማቸው ናቸው። እና እናንተ አስቡት እስኪ ሳይኮሎጂካሊ እናት ስንት ዓመት ሙሉ ካጠገቧ ሌላ ትዳር ሳያምራት ሌላ ነገር ሳትፈልግ እቅፍ ድግፍ አድርጋ ያሳደገችን እናት፣ መከራ አይታ ያሳደገች እናት ድንገት ልጇ 21 ዓመቷ ነው፣ መብቷ ነው፣ መሄድ ትችላለች። እሱን እኔ እንትን አይደለም፣ መሄድ ትችላለች። ነገር ግን በዚህ ወይ እናትየው አልጠበቀችም። ልጇ አለሟ ነች። ድንገት ልትሄድባት ስትፈልግ እናትየው ሻክ አረገች። እሱን አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ አለባችሁ። ዝም ብላችሁ በእናትና በልጅ መሀል ገብታችሁ የምትፈተፉት በእናትና በልጅ ማለት ይህን የሆነ ወይ እህቴ ብትሆን ወይ ልጄ ብትሆን ምናምን ብላችሁ አስቡ። ዝም ብላችሁ ትናገሩ። እንዲጨርሱ አድርጓቸው።
ዴዚ ማነሽ ገሌ አንዴ ቴምር ቤትሽ ሪፖርት እያደረጉብሽ ነው፣ ይዘጋል እና የኢሞጅ